Looking to add a touch of luxury to a small bathroom? In this video, we'll explore 20 stunning small bathroom designs with walk-in showers, each offering its own unique style, from minimalist to glamorous. Whether you love clean lines, rustic charm, or bold colors, there's inspiration here for every taste and space. Let's dive in.
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
1. A minimalist luxury small bathroom with a large walk-in shower, seamless glass enclosure, light gray concrete walls, floating vanity, and subtle LED strip lighting. 2. Art Deco-inspired small bathroom with a curved walk-in shower, black and white geometric tiles, brass fixtures, a pedestal sink, and a circular mirror. 3. Scandinavian luxury small bathroom featuring a spacious walk-in shower, light wood accents, white subway tiles, a freestanding tub if space allows, otherwise a large shower bench, and natural light. 4. Modern rustic small bathroom with a walk-in shower, exposed brick accent wall, dark wood vanity, matte black fixtures, and warm, diffused lighting. Industrial chic small bathroom with a black framed walk-in shower, polished concrete floor, exposed piping details, a raw steel vanity, and task lighting. 5. Bohemian luxury small bathroom with a walk-in shower featuring patterned Moroccan tiles, distressed wood vanity, rattan accents, and a large plant. 6. Coastal-themed small bathroom with a walk-in shower, light blue and white color palette, shiplap walls, brushed nickel fixtures, and shell decor. 7. Japanese Zen-inspired small bathroom with a walk-in shower, natural stone tiles, bamboo accents, a minimalist wooden stool in the shower, and soft ambient lighting. 8. Glamorous small bathroom with a walk-in shower, marble walls and floor, gold fixtures, a mirrored vanity, and a crystal chandelier. 9. Mediterranean-style small bathroom with a walk-in shower, terracotta tiles, wrought iron details, a vibrant blue accent, and a mosaic pattern. 10. Urban loft small bathroom with a walk-in shower, dark industrial tiles, a floating concrete vanity, black metal frame details, and a large round mirror. 11. Eclectic small bathroom with a walk-in shower, mix of vintage and modern elements, bold wallpaper on one wall, colorful vanity, and mixed metal fixtures. 12. Traditional luxury small bathroom with a walk-in shower, classic subway tiles, wainscoting, polished chrome fixtures, and a dark wood vanity. 13. Contemporary small bathroom with a walk-in shower, oversized gray tiles, sleek wall-mounted toilet, minimalist vanity, and integrated storage. 14. Nature-inspired small bathroom with a walk-in shower, green living wall accent, pebble floor in the shower, light wood vanity, and ample natural light. 15. Spa-like small bathroom with a walk-in shower, warm neutral tones, large format porcelain tiles, built-in shower niche, and dimmable lighting. 16. Dark and moody luxury small bathroom with a walk-in shower, deep charcoal walls, black marble accents, concealed lighting, and sophisticated chrome fixtures. 17. Bright and airy small bathroom with a walk-in shower, all-white palette with pops of pastel, floating glass shower door, and a skylight. 18. Geometrical small bathroom with a walk-in shower, hexagonal floor tiles, a custom geometric mirror, and clean lines throughout. 19. Small luxury bathroom with a curbless walk-in shower, textured feature wall, heated towel rail, and integrated smart technology. 20. Parisian apartment-style small bathroom with a walk-in shower, herringbone wood-look tile, ornate gold mirror, clawfoot vanity, or elegant pedestal sink, and delicate lighting.